Alright, well, I'm gonna put my visor down. Let's get started with test number 1. Time to cut loose. Scapoose!
Scapoose!
It's still in one piece. Test 1 complete. Scapoose!
Scapoose!
Woo, thank you, travelers. Now, before we move on to the other 3 tests that we have to complete here today, I want to take a moment to get to know all of you in the unfortunate and unlikely event I land on one of you. Now, like I said, my name is Scapoose! That's right, and I am the Chief Pandora Ranger. Oh yeah? Now, as the Chief Pandora Ranger, where 80% of life tries to eat me. Now, this suit is known as a Class T Violet 7600 Exo Carrier. It stands right around 10 feet tall, weighs about 4.2 tons. And this bad boy, well, we like to call this one Green Fury! That's how it's written on the documentation. The typeface gets smaller and smaller. Now, Green Fury and myself, we're part of the good guys here. You're also part of Green Fury. I can see it. You're the one person dressed like the suit. Nice job, sir. What's your name?
This is going to be intense. With Everest.
I don't mind this little climb, it's that one I don't like. We did do this last time. Got a bubble again. You see, I don't like this climb.
Oh, the back just gone. Jeez, yeah. Woo. Yeah, that's the people mover apparently. The ski lift. The ski lift. Let's see them. Come on. Do the floss. Do it. It's alright, but that leg goes a bit dicky. Yes. You've got a weird leg.
That's exactly how Kayla's hair looks.
Yeah. We need to have a moment of silence for Stitch's great escape.
Sad.
So
The guy has escaped.
He's gone.
He's left for the Polynesians.
He's gone. Yeah, he's at a Polynesian resort. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's very sad.
It's sad. Still love the alien camp.
It's going to be the Tron coaster though.
That's not going to be the Tron coaster.
That's where it's going.
No, the Tron coaster is going over the Packers Speed.
Ah. Guess I'm a noob then.
Such a theme park noob.
Guess I'm a noob then.
Was it the song that never ends? It just goes on and on, my friends. Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was, and now we continue singing it forever just because this is the song that never ends. Right now. Tell us again.
The new car that's coming. This, I don't know, I can't say it.
She got off like a tour operator. Right, when I walked up here, didn't have the camera on. She was, this is that new bar, blah blah blah, it's coming up, it's coming off, it's just where it's going to be and all this stuff, and so confident. And I switched the camera on, like, say it again, switched the camera on, she went, well, it's that new bar, and
She didn't see you guys.
she went to pieces. Just ruined me shot.
Kayla.
Huh?
I know. I said you're on fire in sight now. I think you should hit that.
That's all right. Well, Kayla's Key to the Kingdom's going to be an interesting one next time. Now.
Yeah, it is.
Considering
when your
I
voice
edit
is
them,
chipmunked, you're green.
I know how many of you guys I can leave in.
Yeah. You'll be talking on it.
How many of you guys I can add in.
You'll be talking on it, and it'll just be you guys just dubbed over the top of it. You'll just be going, you guys, 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 you guys. Photoshop Slot's face.
Yeah, because I could be mean too, you know, Kayla.
Doesn't like
You don't want a war with me, Pierre.
Well, you don't want a war with me, Kayla.
Keep it up, K.
Keep it up,
Keep
Kay.
it up, K.
You can't do that.
Hasn't been enough time passed, really. Still hurts. So it's official. I am the king of Men in Black. 2 rides, over 100,000 in both. What you saying, loser?
Doesn't count, we have to press the red button.
No, the red button was extra. So 269. No. 269,000 in the first game, 138,000 in the second. What did you get?
279,000.
It was 58,000. Okay, and it might have been less than that. I'm probably being generous.
58,000 it was.
Yeah. Okay. Well, still less than 138, isn't it?
When they shut you off, it wasn't what I expected. I thought it'd be a little more like G-force when they...
Didn't work quite as well as I thought it was going to.
It worked to a point, and then it just went.
It's just as soon as you get that far, it's just should really walk in.
Zoom back out. Zoom back out. Now zoom into it. Watch. Just do exactly what you've just done. I think this time it's going to work. No. No. Oh no. No. Oh, it did.